Okay, good morning, students. And today we are going to start the Python for class 11 computer science with Python students having code with 083. Okay, and we have three units. One unit is reduced by the CBSE due to this pandemic, and now we have three units. First two unit will deal with the Python programming, and we'll have 9 to 10 chapters in it. Second one is all about the computer system. It means the Boolean algebra, logic gates, and third one is about the society law and ethics. Okay, so let us start the first one. That is the what we say PCT1. Okay, programming and computational thinking, part one. So in this we will start the chapter number one. That is about the Python introduction, getting started with the Python chapter number one. So let us see. So as I have told you that Python is a what high level interpreted programming language that is very easy to use for the you all. Okay, and by this we can create programs and design the what we say software, and it is also used for scripting purposes. Various uses are there of Python programming language. Okay, it is an interpreted language. It means the program is interpreted by the interpreter. It means every line by line is what we say translated into the binary and vice versa. So first we will see today in this very first class that how to download the Python, okay, from the net. Okay, so just see here. I'm going to share the screen. Just see. Okay, so now students, you can just see this, that this is my screen. Okay, I'm showing you how to what we say download the Python in your system. I will open the what we say our browser. In this case, we are having Google Chrome, and here we will type the address URL www dot okay Python. What is that? www dot Python dot org. It is already there. Okay. Org. Hit the enter key, and you will see this home screen. Okay, now you can see the download option here. Just click here and select the Python 3.8.5 or the whatever the version you would like to. Okay, so just click here and you can see that it is being downloaded, and it is downloaded because we are having a very good speed here right now. uh, and just see it is downloaded here, Python 3.8. Okay, various under the heading of this downloads, various what we say exe files are already there. Double click here. As I told you, we have already installed in this. We will not go through in it in detail. We'll just click here to run. If you are clicking the first time, it will bring the option to install, and if it is already installed, then it will show this window, upgrade to Python. Okay, so we are already having, so no need to do this. Click on the cancel. Are you sure you want to cancel? Then click here, yes. Okay, cancel this one, cancel. Now click the start all program if you are using Windows 7, and if you are using Windows 10, then you will move to the apps. Okay, so just search for that Python. Here it is, Python 3.8. Click here. Okay, so okay, so by this we can just download the Python, any version, latest version that is available, and we have just created a shortcut of that, that is here available on the desktop. That is IDLE. IDLE stands for Integrated Development Language. Okay, learning environment, integrated development learning environment, IDLE. Okay, double click here. It will bring the window of that particular Python programming, and here we are having the Python 3.8.3 shell. Okay, so let me tell you that we are having two mode in Python programming where we can program. First one is the interactive mode, and second one is the script mode. So in interactive mode we get the what we say output. Okay, there at the same screen window. Okay, so just show me you using some what we say examples. So just you can see here, uh, print Print is a function used to display some messages, followed by this opening closing parenthesis. Okay, opening closing parenthesis shows that this is the name of function, print function, and we are going to type some string. What is a string? The string is a combination of character enclosed in single quote or double quotes in Python. Okay, whatever is enclosed in single quote or double quote is treated as a string. Though we will use double quotes here, and we will type the desired message, suppose as welcome to Python program. Welcome to Python program. Okay, hit the enter key. See, welcome to Python program. Okay, so this is interactive mode. We have done with the welcome to Python program. And suppose if we are just exiting from this window, click on the file, click on the exit. Okay, again, suppose if again we are going to visit this ideally integrated development learning environment. This is the screen. Okay, so whatever we have typed is not right now available. So what if we are willing to just have it for further use in future? So we will use the second mode, that is script mode. So how can we do programs in the script mode? Let's see this tab. Click on the file, click on the new file option. New window will appear, and type the whatever you are going to or willing to. Suppose the same thing, print in parenthesis double quotes. Okay, welcome to Python, welcome to Python program, welcome to Python program. Okay, the program is the message we have typed here. Okay, now next step is to save this. So I think you all know, but let me tell you again. Click on the file, click on the save. We may use control plus S also. Okay, that is shortcut. Click on the save as dialog box will appear. Now type the desired name. Suppose we have typed here p5 or whatsoever dot py. Py is the extension name for the Python. It means p5.py. Py is the extension for Python. Okay, click on the save button. Now we have saved it. Now at last we have to run this program. You can see the menu, file, edit, format, run. Okay, so click on the run. Select the run module F5. Shortcut is available. We can use directly using the F5 option of the keyboard. As you can see here, the output is available. Welcome to Python program. Okay, so this is the what we say introductory video of chapter number 1, getting started with Python. In this video we have learned how to download the Python programming, as it is free and open source. So what is free? It can be downloaded from the net without paying any charges, and open source means the source code of a particular program is available, then it is open source software. Okay, so that is all about this video. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Keep in touch. We will be available again with the next video very soon. All the very best. Keep on learning. Thank you.